In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your date of birth on Snapchat. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So this is a super simple thing to do, guys. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your Snapchat app. And then once you open up Snapchat, what you'll have to do from here is click on your avatar in the top left corner of the screen. And then once you have clicked on your avatar, what you'll need to do now is click on the settings icon in the top right. And then from here, as you can see, there's an option there for birthday. If you click on that, and then as you can see at the top, please select your date of birth carefully. You can only change it a limited number of times. So if you are wanting to change your date of birth, if you select your date of birth, what you will get is a little drop down menu, and you can go ahead and go through the dials and choose your date of birth. And then once you are happy, click on continue. And then once you have clicked on continue, as you can see, my date of birth is 5th of the 2nd, 2000, and I am 21 years old. And if you are happy with that, you can click on OK to confirm this. And that's how you can go ahead and change your date of birth on Snapchat.